Automatic rotary carbonization furnace. Completely carbonization furnace contain feeding conveyor, discharge cooling conveyor, carbonization system, purification system, ignition system, and electric control cabinet. This is electric control cabinet. This part is a natural gas burner and gas compressor. The effect is pre-ignition. There are also other different burners, such as diesel, gasifier, and wood burners. This equipment could carbonize agricultural waste, coconut shell act, as pre-carbonization of the production of activated carbon, dispose of domestic waste, carbonized copper, aluminum wire wastes, and electric fusion to get pure aluminum or copper. The biggest advantage is that smokeless and automatic during carbonization. This is automatic ignition system with alarm system. It is safe and easy to operate. Two-sets cooling discharge conveyor. The temperature of charcoal is about 30 C. Next part will introduce you the detailed purification system. If you are interested in it, please pay attention to us. Thank you.